As an Indian American parent, it is always a point of pride when your child becomes a doctor or a lawyer and so on. But did you know that doctors and lawyers are high risk professions? That these are professions where they could get sued very easily by patients, for example, for medical malpractice. So there is always a component of risk when you are trying to pass assets when from yourself to your children, especially like say for example that he or she is a doctor and they could potentially lose everything that you give them if they are sued by a patient. So what I would advise you is make sure that whenever you pass this property to them, don't give it to them outright. Don't give it to them in a will so that they become the owner outright. Put it in a trust where they are the beneficiary of this particular property that you want to give them, so they get to enjoy the particular property, but they are not the trustees. They are not the ones who are managing the trust. So therefore, so this helps with creditor protection. This helps with if somebody sues them, then they can still protect that asset, and if they get sued, that the creditor will not be able to access whatever asset that you have worked your whole life for. So if you have children who are doctors, lawyers, in these high risk professions, highly advisable that you put the property in a trust instead of giving it to them outright.